Alright you guys, Reps on Feet here, back with our third unboxing. We mentioned in the first video with the Game Royals, we had 4 shoes coming in. I think these are going to be the Bred 11s. The videos we mentioned previously took about 15 days. The tracking number was a little spotty, it wasn't that exact, but at the end of the day, as long as they get here, you know, you can't complain too much. So I'm going to do just a quick unboxing and I'll let my roommate take over, but this is a shoe that's a little easier to mess up. It's a Bred 11. It's the 2019 version, or I guess, I don't know if it's 2019, but it's the recent release with the 23 on the back. The carbon fiber is different than the 2012 release. And the patent leather is also higher, so let's see what we got. Alright, I'll let my roommate Jake take over.
Alright, as you can see here, we got the nice box actually. Wow. Jordan 11 Retro.
11 and a half.
Ooh, 11 and a half. Just fucking do it, bro. Alright, it just wants me to open this. Alright, that's that is no cap. No cap. Ooh, that feels hella nice. Okay.
Let's take a look at that 23. Let's see.
Check that out. Wow.
Definitely feel pretty sturdy. I got a pair from Yes Kicks.
They even came with the
got the nice red shoe trees. I got a pair from Yes Kicks about a year or two ago, and they were very like plastic feeling. The patent leather felt really thin. These don't feel like that at all. It's actually really thick. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a rep because it's a UA shoe, so you want to get, you know, what you paid for.
Wow.
23 looks pretty solid on the back.
Yeah, that's actually the real deal. I might have to lace these up, put them on, and ball like Mike. Oh,
alright, you guys, tune in for the next video. I got some
shout out Bernice for
shout out Bernice. Yeah,
shout out Bernice.
Shout out Bernice.
Hit her up on WhatsApp if you have any questions. You can find it on their website, shoeout.ru. So yeah, 15 days, not bad at all. I should have another unboxing on the High Pine Green Jordan 1s, so look forward to that. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah.
It's the real deal, Shamil.
Real deal, Shamil.